Hi, I'm Gaby Lunansky. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Amsterdam University Medical Center, and I'm a research fellow at the Institute for Advanced Study from October 2023 until June 2024. And my research focuses on resilience and how we deal with challenges using complexity science. And one important challenge that we will face is that the Dutch society is aging rapidly. It is expected that in 2040 the number of older adults over 90 years old will have increased with 151%. And this demographic shift puts also some pressure on our healthcare system, not only because of the expected increase in care demands for older adults, but also because of the complexity of these care demands. And that is because older adults often face multiple health issues across different domains of functioning. So for example, loneliness after bereavement, reduced mobility after a hip fracture, or memory problems from dementia. But these problems also affect each other. So we can really imagine that if somebody falls and breaks their hip, this doesn't only reduce their mobility, but it also limits their participation in their social activities. So it can lead to more loneliness. So instead of focusing on every domain of functioning in isolation, we can better study it as an integrated network of different domains of functioning and study how we can improve the resilience of this whole network. And I do that in my research using advanced data science methods. And I estimate these networks from data, and then I study how declines in one domain of functioning also trigger declines in other domains of functioning. But also using simulations, I can study what type of interventions would promote the resilience of the network. And in this way, we can ultimately study what type of network structures are associated with higher resilience and what interventions may promote this. And in my project here at the Institute of Advanced Study, I will estimate these networks using data from the Longitudinal Aging Study Amsterdam. This is an ongoing cohort study for over 30 years, assessing thousands of older adults on multiple domains of functioning. And it is my hope that by combining this rich data set with the advanced data science methods within this interdisciplinary institute, we can get one step closer to understand how we can advance and promote healthy aging.